In this program, we will learn about looping. Looping can be of two types: entry control loop or exit control loop. So, in that first we will consider the for loop. There can be three types of loop: for loop, do while loop, and while loop. For loop is enter control loop because in for loop, entry at that time of entry condition is checked. So we take a variable int I, and a variable I is can be declared as 10, or we start from the 0. Clear a screen. For I is less than 10, I plus plus. Here in the for loop, here we can initialize also here, or we can initialize before for loop. Next, there is an I is less than 10 is the conditional statement, then increment and decrement. So three statements come inside the for loop. Printf %d I. To get in the new line, we use new line character. Let's check the result. 0 to 9, because at the time of 10 the condition is false. In while loop, we just write the condition here: I is not equal to 10. Same program we can make in while loop. Int I is equal to 0. Clear screen. The body of file. In this, what we see: print f \n I %d comma I. Here we need to write increment inside this, and let's check the result. Again same result. So 0 to 9, because the loop is started from 0. Here I is equal to 0, the loop is started from I is equal to 0 and less than not equal to 10. When it becomes 10, the condition becomes false and it comes out from the loop. Until that, it prints 0 to 9, and I plus plus increments from the 0 to up to 10. Okay, this can be done through do while loop. In this case, in do while loop, once it crosses from the body, then it checks the condition. Before doing this, it first time it continues in the body and then checks the condition. It means it allows first statement to be executed. First iteration is done, then the condition is checked. Printf /n %d I plus plus. We can use plus plus I also, that is pre-increment, and this is post-increment. The same result. So we can use any of the loop, depends upon our objective, that what type of looping we are required. If we want an entry control loop, then we must use for loop and while loop, and if we want exit control loop, then we must use do while loop. Okay, that's all to the looping.